Hello everyone, my name is Wahyu Dwi Prasetyo. My student ID is 442509444. Let's chat about Prabowo Subianto as Indonesia's new president. He's all about making Indonesia strong and independent. Here, the lowdown on what this government might look like. Number 1. Economy. Prabowo wants to cut down on buying stuff from abroad and grow our own farms, factories, and mines. Think more jobs and a stronger currency, but it could make trade with other countries tricky. Number 2. Defense. With his army background, he'll beef up the military, more ship, gun, and protection for our border. He might team up more with Russia and China, which could stir up some drama in the South China Sea. Number 3. Social stuff. He will push for better health care, help for poor folks, and building roads in village. Education might get a boost too, to train more skilled workers. But corruption could still be a headache. Number 4. Environment. Number 4. Environment. He into clean energy like solar and geothermal, but mining is big for him, so balancing that might be tough. Number 5. Leadership style. Expect a tough nationalist fight, lots of focus on Indonesia first. His team will mix old lies and new ones, but keeping things fair and open could be a challenge. I will present my PowerPoint about the question words. Let's introduce myself first. I am Wahyu Dwi Prasetyo, a student in the Communication Studies program at Bina Sarana Informatika University with student ID 442509444. What are question words? Question words are words used to ask for specific information. They are essential in forming questions in English and help us understand the details of who, what, when, where, why, and how something happens. Why are they important in communication? Question words are important in communication because they help us for gather information, start conversation, clarify understanding, encourage critical thinking, connect across culture. List of question words. What, who, where, when, why, and how. What? Used to ask about objects, action, or information. For example, what is your name? What are you doing? What time does the meeting start? What are the ingredients for this recipe? What is your favorite book? Where? Used to ask about location or place. For example, where do you live? When? Used to ask about time. For example, when is your birthday? Who? Used to ask about people. For example, who is your teacher? Why? Used to ask about reason or causes. For example, why are you late? How? Used to ask about method, condition, or way. For example, how do you go to school? Next slide, variation of how. Number 1, how asks about the way something is done. For example, how do you solve this problem? Number 2, how many asks about countably quantity. For example, how many apples are there? How much asks about uncountable quantity or price. For example, how much sugar do you need? How long Ask about duration. For example, how long is the movie? Number 5. How far? Ask about distance. For example, how far is the airport from here? Number 6. How old? To ask about age. For example, how old is your dog? Number 7. How well? To ask about skill or quality. For example, how well can you swim? Number 8. How come? To informal way to ask why. For example, how come you're late? Number 9. How about? To suggest an idea or ask for opinion. For example, how about going out tonight? Number 10. How often? To ask about frequency. For example, how often do you travel? Tips for using question words. 1. Use the right question word based on the type of information you need. Number 2. Combine with auxiliary verbs. Do, does, did, can, etc. for complete your question. Number 3. Practice forming question in different tense and context. Basic structure. Basic structure in question word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. For example, what do you eat for breakfast? Or where does he live? Next, starter with to be verbs. Question word plus to be plus subject. For example, who is your teacher? Where are they now? Next, the formula question words at simple present. For subject, question words plus verb 1 plus s or es plus object. For verb, what plus do or does plus s plus verb 1. For object, question word plus do or does plus s plus verb 1. For example, you love Annie every time. You can ask, who loves Annie every time? What do you do? When do you love Annie? The formula question words at simple past. For subject, question words plus verb 2 plus o. For verb, what plus did plus s plus do. For object, question word plus did plus s plus verb 1. For example, my mother cooked rice yesterday. You can ask, what did my mother do? What did my mother cook? When did my mother cook rice? Conclusion. Number 1. Question words are essential tools for communication. Number 2. Mastering them improves speaking, writing, and comprehension. Number 3. Keep practicing to ask better questions. Thank you. That's enough of the presentation assignment that I can make. More or less, I apologize. Thank you to Prof. Arif. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.